Hey guys, did you ever ask yourself how you can fake the sun on your pictures in Photoshop? I am Max from Simply Santa Bros, and today I will show you how you can easily fake the sun in your pictures. If this sounds interesting to you, let's get right into it. At first, you must import the photo into Photoshop. Then arrange your workspace how you like to edit with. The first step is to create a new fill, in fact a gradient fill. A new window, the gradient fill settings, will pop up. There you can choose between various options. For a sun, I would choose the radial style. Then you can put the gradient wherever you want your sun to be in the picture. In the scale settings, you can decide how big your gradient will get. You have a lot of freedom, so just try what suits your picture best. Now we move on in the gradient settings and click on the bar. With the color stops beneath the line, you can choose the colors your gradient will get. Press OK to set the color in the new upcoming window. The color stops you set on the left of the bar will affect the middle of the circle. The color stops you will set on the right hand side of the bar will affect the outer borders of the gradient. Now you can create as many color stops as you want and are needed for your picture. When you are done managing the colors of your gradient, press OK. After you did this, you should check another time your scale settings and suit them to the picture if necessary. To finish the process, you can play around with the angle settings to give your gradient more glow and shine. Now, just hit OK and you are done creating a sun in Photoshop. If you enjoyed the video at any point, please let us know by smashing the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.